Hi guys, it's Ariana. Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we are doing the Boxycharm unboxing for the month of July. So I just got my box in the mail today and I'm really excited to actually unbox it on time for once. So I have no idea what's in it. It's been sitting in my studio all day taunting me. I really want to know. I have heard that a lot of people are disappointed with this month's box. So I am fingers crossed that I got a good box. So let's just see. So when I open up the box, this is what it looks like. So it is the Boxycharm Fantasy. So it looks like this. It's a really cute little graphic on it. It's very, very oceany, sea. So we got all of the prices on here. I don't actually know where my phone is, so I will total up everything at the end and tell you guys what the total is once I am done. But we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 items in here, and let's just dive on into it. So I noticed we did not get a palette again this month. So another thing that I've noticed over the last, I think 3 or 4 boxes is we haven't been getting eyeshadow palettes. So I don't know what's going on with that. I have been with Boxycharm for about 3 or 4 years now, and we always get eyeshadow palettes and we have not been. So that kind of sucks. So the first thing that I see is the 8-in-1 CBD multi-purpose nutrient mist styling aid. So this is a styling aid for your hair. Vegan and free of sulfates, parabens, gluten, DMDMH, phthalates, cruelty, vegan. This leave-in conditioner packs 8 powerful benefits into one, enhances body and manageability, detangles hair, fights frizz, protects hair from environmental damage, balances moisture, and adds nutrients to refresh hair and add shine. It retails for $30, but it's really, really thick. Oh, that smells like Tresemme. So like, you know, the black bottle, green writing Tresemme, I'll post it right here. That's exactly what this smells like. So I'm getting nostalgia vibes to when I was a kid. So this literally just smells like Tresemme. It's a leave-in conditioner. It is a spray conditioner. Let's see what the spray is like. Okay, it sprays fine. It smells really good. Gonna get it all over my hands, get everything sticky. I'm really excited to try this out. I'll definitely do a test on this product in the future. If you guys are interested in me trying out this product, let me know in the comments down below. I will definitely do a video for you guys. $30 is fairly expensive for a leave-in conditioner though. So you get 4 fluid ounces, so 120 milliliters, so that is very pricey. It looks like this, and it is a CBD vitamin infused hair thing. The next thing I see is the Bassi Beauty. So this is lip oil. I've never actually used a lip oil before. I usually use lip glosses, but not usually oils. So this is a, ooh, it's cute. So this is the Bassi Beauty. It looks like this. It's a little clear purple bottle. It's really, really cute actually. This is the Basic Beauty Summer Lip Oil. Ready for a quick pamper session for your lips. This hydrating lip oil nourishes your lips from the inside out with coconut oil for effortless shine and instantly reduces the appearance of lip lines. And it retails for $18. So $18 for this. You get, how many fluid ounces? You get 0.1 ounce. So I think that's pretty normal for an oil or a lip gloss or whatever. I'm really excited to try this. I've never actually tried an oil before. I'm curious what it smells like. It's because it says it's coconut oil. Yeah, it smells like coconut. So that's pretty cool. It looks really, really cute. The packaging is cute. I'm definitely interested in trying this out. So $18 for lip oil. That's not something that I personally would have picked myself, but it's interesting. I got something folded up. This is the setting powder. Oh, so this is Beauty Bakery. Wow, we got a Beauty Bakery item. I've never actually tried Beauty Bakery before, so this is really exciting. I love that Beauty Bakery always gives their products out in like bakery style things, so it looks like a bag of flour. I think that is really, really cute. I love the packaging. I'm really interested in seeing what this is. So this is an oat translucent powder. So I'm gonna open it up and see what it's like. Okay, so it's just the packaging that looks like bakery. It actually looks like this. So this is what the product looks like. So this is a translucent powder. So it's an oat translucent powder. It has, it does not say how much you get. Interesting. Maybe it'll say on the package. You get 0.5 of an ounce, so 14 grams of product, and I'm curious what it smells like because it's a Beauty Bakery brand. Okay, so it looks like this on the inside and doesn't really have a scent or anything. It's just a basic translucent powder. I don't usually use powders though because I have pretty dry skin. So this is really interesting. I'm not too sure if I will end up using it that often, but I definitely don't have a translucent powder in my collection that I use regularly, so I may try this out. But I do have very dry skin, so I usually just go with a setting spray when I'm done my makeup, so I'll definitely have to try this out. I know Beauty Bakery is very expensive though. So this retails for, oh, it's actually not, it retails for $24. So it says this finely milled oat translucent flower setting powder allows you to set your concealer and foundation in place for a long day's wear. The colorless formula puts an oily face battle to rest. It will noticeably blur your pores and soften your complexion, leaving you with a beautiful matte finish. So I don't usually go for matte, and I don't really care about my pores. You know, they're there. I have pretty large pores on my cheeks, but I don't really care about them. It's not really that big of a deal to me. So I'm not really interested in the blurring effect. I know some people probably are very interested in that, but I don't usually use powders because I don't have very oily skin. I have very dry skin. Probably just not a product that is really that catered towards me, but I'll definitely try it and let you guys know what I think of it, but I may not like it just because I do have dry skin. So that retails for $24, so that's not too bad. The next item is the Mud Masky. So this is a moisture boost. Reduce dark circles. So this is a vitamin infused eye serum. Okay, so it looks like this. It is a yellow packaging. It's actually pretty cute. So this is a $63 eye serum. Holy shit, $63 for 1 fluid ounce for 30 milliliters of product. Wow, that's expensive. The delicate skin around the eyes is 10 times thinner than the skin on the rest of the face, making it the first place to exhibit signs of premature aging, such as dark circles and fine lines. The eye serum contains a blend of all-natural vitamin C and superfood ingredients essential for firming the skin. With a refreshing and powerful antioxidant effect, this serum is ideal for all skin types. I have not had good luck with vitamin C ingredients in the past. I tried using a serum that had vitamin C in it and it broke my skin out really badly. So I'm hoping that doesn't happen with this product because this is around my eye area and I would hate to have a breakout around my eye area. That sounds very uncomfortable. So this is a moisture boost, vitamin boost, feeding, nourishing, firming, fragrance-free, pH balanced eye serum. $63. That is expensive. That is pricey. I'll definitely try it out. If you guys are interested in me doing a month-long test on that product and an actual review, please let me know in the comments down below and I will definitely do that for you. But it seems like kind of cheap packaging for a product that isn't that expensive. 63 USD. Keep that in mind, this is in USD pricing as I'm in Canada. That is expensive. And the last thing that's in this month's box is the Pharmacy Whipped Greens Oil-Free Foaming Cleanser. So this is a moringa and papaya cleanser. I think I've gotten this before. Do I have this already? I have like a vague memory of getting an item from pharmacy similar to this, and I remember not being able to pronounce moringa and having to look it up, and I think I got this before in the past. I'm gonna double check and let you guys know if I got this in the past, because it sounds very familiar, but maybe I'm just thinking of another item that we got from pharmacy. So this is from the brand Pharmacy. This is a 5 fluid ounce bottle, so you get 115 milliliters. So this is an oil-free foaming cleanser that draws out dirt, oil, and impurities caused by pollution. This soap-free, pH-balanced formula is infused with purifying moringa, papaya, and green clay to help clean pores and surface residue, while sodium PCA helps replenish skin hydration, and it retails for $28. So you get a fairly decent amount of product for $28. That's pretty great. I have not had good luck with this brand in the past. I have used one other product from Pharmacy, and it was a AHA, BHA skin serum, and I did not have a good reaction to that product. So I'm a little bit turned off from this brand. I have not used this brand since then. So I'm actually very interested in trying this out and seeing if I like it. So I will definitely do a video again on this product in the future. If you guys are interested in me doing a month-long or 2-month-long test on this item, please let me know. It says apply daily, morning and evening to wet skin and massage onto face, neck, and a circular motion. Avoid direct contact with your eyes. Rinse with water and pat dry. May be used as a second cleanse following Green Clean Makeup Melt Away Cleansing Balm. Oh, actually, I have used one other product since the product that I did not like. The product that I did not like was the Honeymoon Glow, and the product that I did use that I did like was their Melt Away Balm. It was the Pharmacy Melt thing. I liked that. It worked pretty well. I ran out of that a while ago though, and I did not repurchase it because I think I got the Physicians Formula one that worked basically the same. I am interested in trying this out. I'll definitely let you guys know in the comments down below if I liked this product, but this box sucked. I'm not going to lie. The only item in this box that was makeup related is the setting powder. I got a translucent setting powder as my only makeup item. Everything else was either hair care or skincare. So we got a skincare, a lip kind of oil skincare related, hairspray, conditioner, and a setting powder. I understand why people online have been very upset with this month's box. This sucked. This box is not great. So I would say that I got some really awesome products, and I did get something that I've never tried before. I've never tried Beauty Bakery before, but the amount of skincare and hair care versus the amount of makeup is ridiculous. We need to get boxes that are a little bit more evened out. If we're gonna have a makeup subscription box, it should be mostly makeup and a little bit of skincare or hair care mixed into there, but this was mostly a skincare box, and I'm not really that into skincare right now. I have a whole drawer from Boxycharm full of skincare items that I've not used and are just going to expire and go to waste because they stuff these boxes with skincare. So I'm really disappointed. So I understand why some people online have been talking about how this month's box has been really bad. I'm really excited to see what the August boxes look like. I'm not going to cancel because there is one item that I am looking forward to. It was my choice item. I got to pick a Pure Elise BB cream, so it's one that I've not tried before, so I'm really looking forward to that. But if that wasn't already an item that I got to choose myself and I knew it was coming in next month's box, I would be canceling. This box was really bad. I'm not impressed with it at all. The amount of skincare versus makeup that we've been getting lately is just overwhelming, and I don't need this much skincare products. It's just ridiculous. Sorry if you hear background noises. People in my house are being really loud right now. But this is everything that was in this month's box. I'm really not looking forward to paying for next month's box again, considering how bad this one was. So I'm gonna quickly go grab my phone and total it up for you guys, let you guys know what the total is, probably just in a pop-up here, just because I don't actually know where my phone is, and I have food that is here and I wanna go eat it. So I'll post the total right here for you guys, but I would say that the total doesn't really outweigh how much disappointment I have for this box, because one makeup item versus all of this stuff is ridiculous, and I already have a drawer full of skincare. I don't need this much skincare stuff. So thanks so much for watching this video. If you guys did enjoy this video, please make sure to give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more content like this, and I will see you guys at the next video. Bye. Testing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Boxycharm unboxing. Hopefully this doesn't have weird sound. I'm really interested in seeing what August box is like, because there is one item that I'm really looking forward to. It was my choice item. I got to pick a CC or a